Welcome to the unboxing of the Dragino D20-LB. That stands for LoRaWAN and battery powered, and I'll show you in a moment what the D20 is all about. For LoRaWAN, additional information about the device is on the side, otherwise it's a plain box and we'll dive right in. Inside the box, we get information about registering with Dragino. So you can do that on your server, your LNS. But you also receive everything that's in here from us digitally when you shop at the iot-shop. That means you'll get a list to download in your customer account in any format you like. This is also interesting for importing large numbers of devices. But what do we get here? Here we find a small antenna and a sensor head with a probe attached. And now we'll go ahead and install its little antenna right here so it feels at home. There we go, little cap on, perfect, antenna attached. What do we get? Here we get a temperature probe, specifically a DS18B20 temperature probe. It's suitable for a range between minus 55 degrees Celsius and plus 125 degrees Celsius. That's quite interesting, and that's why this device is useful, because I can also send an alarm when a certain temperature is reached. And I can set that either via Bluetooth configuration or downlink, meaning over the air to the device, and then I'll receive the corresponding notification. If one probe isn't enough for you, there's also the D22 version, which means D22 instead of D20, and with that you get two of these probes here. Yes, overall it's a small sensor package, has an 8500 milliamp hour battery, IP66 rating for the housing, and we'll take a quick look at it. It appears to be suitable for outdoor use. Really simple and easy for your temperature applications. And that's everything included in the package. Thank you for watching and thank you for shopping with us. Ciao with F.